Hi, and welcome to Juvet Landscape Hotel. Today we are gonna have a look into one of the 7 landscape rooms and into the spa area. Let's go! We start with the bathroom. Bright and yellow, which gives you the feeling of sunshine even when it's raining outside. The rest of the interior is kept in dark to avoid stealing focus from the scenery. On the other side we find plenty of space to relax or read a book. And finally the bedroom, with an amazing view to the dramatic river below and the high mountains in the background. Let's head over to the bathhouse. Built into the grounds by the river, we find a kitchenette with a coffee machine, the main room to relax, and a steam sauna. And right at the end, the silent room with a huge glass wall, giving you again a great view of the scenery. Let's head back to the main room, where we also find showers and a fireplace for cozy winter days. And finally outside, we have the terrace with the hot tub. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.